Welcome back to another edition of Just Try DIY. Hey, today we're working on the beast. My little Honda car here, give me a little bit of fits. So the oil is getting down into the spark plug tubes, and camera's over there. And we are gonna have to replace the seal that's down in there. Eric the car guy, his video, I'm gonna throw a link down to him. Man, awesome. I just thought I'd try and redo it a little bit, see how it turns out for me, post it on the channel and see how it goes. So tune in with me here, we're gonna try it out. Alrighty, so here's my engine bay here on the Honda, and I've already pulled the plugs out here. As you can see, the boots were very oily. 1 and 2 were pretty bad, 3 was pretty good, 4 had just a little bit on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start looking at pulling those off out of the way. We're going to pull off some of these breather tubes here. Okay. One up there. Pull that tube off there. Be ever so careful not to break that. Pull that one off there. Set her back. Maybe. You know what? Let's just take that one off and get it out of the way. Not a big deal. We'll set it up there. Now then, like I said, really good information from Eric the car guy. He did an awesome job on this. Take off our ground wire. It's over here. Pull that wire out of the way. So now, looks like I'm going to pull this off just to get it out of the way also. Make sure that that is easy to come right off the top. Try not to drop the caps down underneath. So what we're doing is, these tubes here, these seals that are here are not leaking. It's the ones that are down inside of here that are leaking. So we have to take this whole rack off the top of here in order to do that. So we got a series of 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter bolts that'll need to be taken out. We're going to take this 12 millimeter off of this one. That'll allow us to get this whole rack to come up out of here.
They're all loose. I'll get that one. So should be able to pull this out.
We'll make sure all these, right here is where those seals are. Here is that carrier we just took out. We flip it up here, we'll be able to see. Here are those seals that we need to replace. These are the ones that were leaking. From what I've been told, as we take these out, they'll be probably more brittle. Yeah, look at that. There's no, look at that. We'll take it back over and put it in the engine. All right, so we get ready to tighten these down. Let me double check on the torque on those.
The 12 millimeter bolts are 22 foot-pounds, and the 10 millimeter bolts are 12 foot-pounds. You will be needing your torque wrench for this.
So as we tighten these up, I got to set it 22. We're going to slowly tighten these up. Starting in the center, work our way out. All right, we got all of everything torqued down. Put our new valve cover back in. They should drop right in there. That's pretty. Oh. Hey, don't do what I just did. I'm gonna take this back out because I forgot the new gaskets for over the top of them. There we go. Sometimes we get in a hurry, sometimes we forget. Alright. Now, try it again. Just like that. I'm going to put in new spark plugs. So I did elect to go ahead and change out the wires and everything on this also. It's not always necessary, but might not be a bad idea. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of lay them back out here where they were, put my clips back on, and just to make sure that we don't mess up any sequence of where they were, how they're running. We'll just do one at a time. So. Oh, right there, look what happened. So I pulled that last one off, look at there. I think pulled right off the end of the inside of that wire. So I'm gonna try, got these little tools here that got little curves and stuff on there. Hopefully maybe I can get in here. Oh, yep, right there it goes. There, got stuck in there. So as I went through and I pulled that off real quick, I didn't double check it until I started trying to put this one back in. They didn't want to go in, so back on there, up over the top. It's always a good idea to go over, look through, make sure nothing's been missed. You didn't forget to put something back where it was. We got everything tied on. All right, with this fancy Honda I got here, we're going to hit start button here and see what happens. Hopefully it should sound pretty good. Oh yeah. Real tests will be over the next couple thousand miles or so. We'll go back and we'll double check these out, make sure they're good. But hey, good project. Good luck for all yous out there, and thanks for joining me. Hey, hit subscribe. Let's build this sucker up, and we'll see you next time.